Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Debbie, and hi to all my new subscribers. Thank you so much for clicking that button and subscribing to my channel. It really means the world to me. Thank you so much for taking the time and watching my videos. And if this is the first video that you are watching, welcome. My name is Debbie and I'm not an expert. I just love makeup and I am just showing you what I know and what I like. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Today, I'm going to show you one of my go-to makeup looks. This is like an everyday makeup look for me. But also today, I'm actually going to be sharing a brand new tinted moisturizer that I recently purchased. So if you guys want to see what products I use and what is my go-to makeup look, then just keep on watching. I'm gonna go in with this brand new primer. Of course, I have some dry areas on my face, so I thought this one would be perfect, and I was only allowed to purchase this online at the Ulta website. And this is the hydrating face primer from the brand J-Cat Beauty, and I've never tried anything from this brand before, so I'm kind of excited. I've heard good things. It says it's H2O Fresh Dewy Base Primer, hydrating, oil-free. And on the side it says Ultra Hydrating and Water-Based Primer. Instantly cools and refreshes skin while providing intensive hydration, lightweight, non-greasy, and mineral oil-free gel. Does not clog pores. So I really do like the fact that it doesn't clog pores and it's very lightweight, not greasy. And it's supposed to be hydrating, so I'm gonna put that on the areas that I need hydration. I'm also going in with another primer. Alright, so this is what it looks like. It's really pretty, nice little bluish greenish bottle, really nice. So it's a gel consistency, just like it says, just like that. So it's, ooh, it is very watery based. Okay, alright, well that's not where I wanted to apply it, but I ended up applying it right there. So I'm applying it right here. It has like a salty, I don't know, like a, not salty, but it has a scent. It's not a bad scent, it just reminds me of something. I can't remember what it is, but I'm applying it right here because this is the area that I get very dry. I'm also going in with the Professional from Benefit, of course. This is for my pores area. I gotta handle that. I'm also gonna apply, you know what, the rest of the Cat's Beauty primer on the rest of my face and test it out. We'll just see how it goes. But it is very lightweight. It is a gel consistency and it does absorb rather quickly. Feels pretty good, and the scent is pretty nice, actually. I'm not gonna lie, it smells pretty nice. Alright, so for today I am gonna go with a tinted moisturizer, and this one is from Lancome. This is the Skin Feels Good Hydrating Skin Tint Healthy Glow. I purchased this in 2 different shades because I didn't know what I was gonna be, and I just wanted to make sure. So I got Golden Sand, this is 04N, and then I got Radiant Tan, this is 05N. So I figured I would get both because I don't know what shade I am and I want to get the one that's closest to me and make sure that this is all gonna work out for me. So I'm gonna go in with this Radiant Tan first. For some reason I feel like this one's gonna work out for me. Okay, so, ooh, pretty. It has a pump, which is nice. Looks like this. Really, really nice. Nice and sleek. I really like the packaging. Nice Lancome. Alright, so I'm actually going to put some on the back of my hand just like that. I did 1 pump. Alright, and that's how much I got from just 1 pump. So I'm going to take my damp Real Technique sponge and apply this. Alright, so I definitely feel like this is my shade, so I'm going to apply that right there. Yeah, this is definitely my shade. Okay, so this is supposed to be very light coverage, so I know it's not going to really cover a lot. It's just going to make my skin very even as possible, but not conceal anything that I need to be concealed. With that, I will obviously have to go in with a concealer, but this is actually really nice. It is really, really lightweight. Like, I don't feel it at all. It doesn't smell like anything. So, as you can see, I applied one pump on one side and then one pump on the other, and it's pretty good, I have to say, with coverage. It's very light coverage, and it feels really light on the skin, and the shade is actually perfect. I really do like it, and I mean, yeah, it's glowy, which is nice. Also, don't forget we did apply like a hydrating primer, so we're gonna see how both of those mix well together, and you know, we'll test that out and see how it comes out. But so far it's so good right now. It blended out really nice. So for concealer today, I'm actually going to switch it back today. I'm going to go in with the Tarte Shape Tape, and this is in the shade Medium. So I'm just going to apply that in the areas that I usually apply that, which is right here, around the nose, smile lines. Alright, so everything is feeling really nice on the skin. I also really like how the Tarte Shape Tape applied nicely with the tinted moisturizer. They feel very lightweight. It doesn't feel heavy whatsoever. And I mean, it blended out nicely, and I have no problems so far, which is really good. So hopefully this is a really good combination with the two. Alright, so to set my under eye today, I'm going to take the Kat Von D brush, and I'm going to take the RCMA translucent powder, and I'm just going to set underneath my eye. I'm also going to set my lid because I'm going to use the concealer as a base for the shadow. I'm also going to set my chin. Moving on to bronzer, I'm going to go in with this Milani Baked Bronzer, and this is in the shade Glow. I'm also going to take this brush right here. It's just an angled, fluffy brush. I'm going to swirl my brush in there really nicely, and I'm just going to apply that around my face and bronze up my face a little bit. So basically I'm just bronzing up the perimeters of my face, just like that. I'm also going to grab a little bit of that bronzer, and I'm going in with this small tapered blending E45 from Sigma, and I'm grabbing a little bit of that bronzer as well, and I'm just going over my nose just a little bit, and just contouring my nose just a little bit. I like to start from the corner of the brow where the brow begins, and then just making a line, tracing around my nose just like that. Same thing on the other side, just like that. So basically I'm just sketching out how I want my nose to look. Just like that. Then I'm going to go back in with that brush that I used to set my under eye and just go over that. And it's just blending out the shade so it doesn't look so orange. You know what I mean? So it blends out nicely into the skin, but leaves the shadow that you created, you know? So just like that. Alright, so since this is supposed to be an easy go-to makeup look, I am going to go in with this LA Girl. This is the Shady Slim Brow Pencil. It's in the shade Brunette, and I'm just going to go and fill in my brows. To finish off the brows, I like to go also in with the Essence Make Me Brow Gel Mascara. And it's this one right here. This is in the shade Brownie Brows. And I just like to go over the brows. And this is just going to add a little bit more color. And it's going to have them stay in place. Alright, so now moving into the eyes. Usually I like to just go in with the bronzer that I used right into the crease and then leave it just like that. Blends it all onto the eye, the crease, and I'm done, good to go. But today I'm actually going to do a matte shade in the crease, and I'm also going to add a shimmer shade, which is also one of my go-to looks. I really feel like it looks like you tried and you put a lot of effort, but in all reality, it only took you 5 minutes. And yeah, so again, I'm gonna go in with the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I absolutely love this palette. I feel like I use this a lot, and the shades in here are just really perfect for any look. So I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. Alright, so we're going to pretend that never happened. And I'm going to take my Morphe M441 brush, and I'm going to go in with this shade right here. And this is the shade I'm actually going to apply all over the crease. And you don't have to use this palette, you don't have to use this shade. You can go in with any matte shade that you would like. You can even use the bronzer that you used and then add any shimmer shade that you would like. But I have really been loving this shade right here. And this is the shade I want to use. So I just really love it. Going to like blend it out just a tad bit. Now I'm going to go in with the Morphe M321 brush, and I'm just going to grab the same shade right there, and I'm going to apply that on the lower lash line. Alright, so now for the shimmer shade that I like to go in with is this one from the World Travelers palette. This is the shade Metallic, and this is from Anastasia of Beverly Hills. I really do like this shade. It's like a nice goldy metallic shade, obviously, hence the name. So I'm gonna go in and use my finger and just apply this onto the lid, just like that. Actually, I like to go in with my ring finger. I don't know why I use my index finger, but it's just a lot nicer when applying shadow on the lid. So I feel like this is really pretty, just like that. And you see, you guys, it looks like you tried so hard, but honestly, it is the most easiest, most simple eye look. It really looks like you tried a lot. Like you put a lot of effort in and you really didn't. Yeah, so moving on to lashes. I will be right back. I'm going to apply these off camera. All right, guys, so I'm back. As you can see, I finished applying the lashes, and today's lashes are Ardell Wispy lashes. Really love these lashes. These are like every single day type of lash. Now I'm going to move in with highlighter. So for highlighter, I'm going to go in with the, what is this? The Sun Dipped Glow Kit, and this is by Anastasia, of course. This is one of my favorite highlighters, and I'm actually going to go in with the Morphe M510 brush, and I'm going to grab Summer, which is one of my favorite highlighters. I'm just going to apply this right here because, you guys, even though this is supposed to be an everyday simple look, you need some highlighter in your life, you know? I always apply a little bit. Apply that on the nose, the Cupid's bow, it doesn't matter. I need to glow, you know? You don't have to like OD unless you want to. There's nothing wrong with that, but I mean, this is what I do, and I, no joke, do this every single day. I need to have like a little bit of glow. I don't feel myself if I don't have some type of glow, you know? So now we are actually almost done with this look, you guys. Now I'm gonna go in with lip liner, and I feel like I'm gonna go in with this shade right here, LA Girl. This is the Ultimate Lip Intense Stay Auto Lip Liner, and this is in Forever Bare. I actually mentioned this in my July favorites. It's a really good lip liner, you guys. Alright, and to top this lip off, I'm going to go in with this NYX Butter Gloss, and this is in Fortune Cookie. Now I'm just going to spritz my face, and I'm going in with the Mario Badescu Skincare Facial Spray. I love this, and especially in the summer, I absolutely love this. I can't go without this. I mean, I use other ones, but I always go back to this, and I just love the scent. So just going to finish off the look with this. Alright guys, so this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the look. What do you guys think? Do you guys think this is a lot of makeup? Is it not? I don't know. I personally feel like it's simple, easy, and it's my go-to. Yeah, I really do love this look. The tinted moisturizer, oh my god, you guys, so lightweight. It really feels like I'm wearing absolutely nothing on my face, like nothing. And I really love how everything looks. Everything really blended out nicely together. The concealer, the powder set really nicely. Everything looks really healthy and glowy, which is really important, I feel like, especially in the summer. You don't want to look super dry, because especially when you're outside, the sun is going to dry you out anyway. And also, I don't know if I mentioned it, but the tinted moisturizer does have an SPF 23, so that's really good. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't yet. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye!